Croeso I Antur!
I love Antur Stiniog. The trails are absolutely amazing and I can come here with my friends, with my family.
Mae'n bwysig iawn cael pethau fel hyn wrth ymyl fi oherwydd dydy o ddim yn bell i ffwrdd a mae o'n gallu datblygu fy sgiliau ar fy meic.
And then to support a social business like Antur Stiniog is just fantastic given what they do for the local people and the community.
Nath y buddsoddiad gyntaf gan Buddsoddiad Cymdeithasol Cymru ddod efo benthyciad o 5,000 nôl yn 2007 i ddechrau clwb kayacs. A wedyn nath hynna wneud i ni feddwl amdan gweithgaredda awyr agored a sut fysa ni'n gallu creu elw a datblygu prosiectau i gyd fynd â gweithgaredda awyr agored.
I've been coming to Blaenau for must be 20 years and you can see the difference since Antur Stiniog Zip have come to the area, how the tourism has grown and how community is building. The area seems much more profitable and it's just a really nice place to come to.
Oedden ni wedi agor y ganolfan beics ers 12 mis, dwi'n meddwl, ac oedden ni'n gwybod bod o'n creu digon o revenue i dalu benthyciad yn ôl ar adeilad neu buddsoddiad arall. Ond fysa banc ddim yn cyffwrdd ni, oherwydd bod ni'n fenter cymunedol, oedd gynna ni maseda, oedd gynna ni'n track record. Ond mi nath Buddsoddiad Cymdeithasol Cymru rhoi benthyciad i ni, ac oedd hwnna'n hwb anferthol ac yn rhoi hyder i ni.
Un o pethau pwysig yn beicio mynydd yw y Ngwynedd a ffrindiau.
Nice, that was wow good.
Well done.
From like a mental health point of view, it definitely helps. Like sometimes if I'm feeling stressed, I'll just go out on my bike for a ride, or like especially here if you get a minibus to the top, you just got laps all day, don't have to worry about pedalling uphill. Like it's good to just clear your head.
Dwi'n teimlo'n dda.
I am.
It's really good that organisations like Antur have benefited from all our different types of funding over the years. They've had minibuses, bike hire, properties in the town, and it's just great to see how much they've developed.
Ar Antur Stiniog sefydlu'n 2007, ond ers hynny mae Cwmni Bro wedi esblygu o Antur Stiniog ella. A mae Cwmni Bro fel rhyw fenter yn barel sydd yn hybu'r mentra i gyd yn yr ardal i gyd weithio.
It's not only important to support just the one anchor organisation, but also to regularly invest in the development of the whole locality.
Mae'r buddsoddiad a cefnogaeth da ni wedi cael wedi galluogi beicio, gweithgaredda awyr agored, tafarndai cymunedol. Ie, mae yna entia 15 o mentra i gyd, a mae hynna yn gweithio ar draws y sectorau i gyd. Mae'r mentra'n gyffredinol sydd wedi cael cefnogaeth gan Buddsoddiad Cymdeithasol Cymru hefyd, fel seren yn y maes gofal, a maen nhw'n rhan o'r daith anatod efo ni, a dwi'n gobeithio fyddan nhw efo ni am y 10 mlynedd nesaf fyd.
Pen-blwydd hapus.
Pen-blwydd hapus!
Pen-blwydd hapus!